Here's a problem that every development team faces. Your requirements live in JIRA, but AI tools cannot access them directly. You end up copying and pasting, losing context, wasting time. JIRA is a industry-leading application lifecycle management platform used by developers and enterprises, and that's where the disconnect is. The AI assistant that could help analyze requirements, generate documentation, plan sprints, it cannot access your JIRA data directly. This MCP server, my JIRA MCP server, intends to solve this problem. It acts as a secure bridge between JIRA instance and tools like Cloud Desktop by implementing the MCP Model Context Protocol. This is an open source tool, so no siphoning secrets and such. The source code is there on Git, so you can look at it and use it. This is the first iteration focusing on read operations. Future versions will add capabilities to write and update. So without any further ado, let's look at this in action. So yeah, you would want to get the latest image from Docker Hub, and you would also need a JIRA API token. This has 3 variables that it requires to work with. I'm just giving this as an example. This is my JIRA instance. You would also need a couple of other variables which are the username and the API token. So this is one way of how you could use this. In a sense, this is just a test to make sure that your credentials work with this MCP server, which again is going to run locally on your machine. Let's say if that is what you choose to, you can have the Docker desktop on your machine and then this image downloaded there, and you could connect the MCP server into Cloud via an mcp.json, all of which is available in the Git repository. So with that, let's test the MCP server functionality. I think I'm already on my so I'm already in my project directory, local development directory. So I'll run a test script which validates the MCP protocol and JIRA integration. Let me just get the command. Yeah, there it is. So yep, as you can see, the complete lifecycle handshake, the MCP handshake, initialization, tool listing, and real data retrieval. You see actual user stories getting fetched. So KW40, KW39, and more. So these are all user stories from my actual JIRA project, clean, structured, ready for AI analysis. The server handles complex JIRA data formats, sanitizes all inputs from injection attacks, and then the clean JSON is for the AI tool to consume. This is production ready. It has a comprehensive documentation, comprehensive test suite, real MCP protocol tested, JSON RPC over STD/IO. Its authentication is secure, API tokens, input validation, sanitization. The code base is streamlined. It's Docker ready with health checks, and it's production ready with all tests passing. The project itself includes, like I was saying, extensive documentation and testing. You can basically use testmcp working.py. That's just one of the different test scripts in the kit. So you can also use test connection or test end-to-end. Just to kind of quickly show you what this does is, in case you want to do local development, you could potentially do that. So as you can see, it kind of does the environment cleanup, image building, local testing, protocol validation, Docker hub deployment, and the deployed image verification. So obviously, this works with an env file with your JIRA credentials. So you'd want to obviously get that. All you would have to do is obviously run this test script, and it would do all of that for you. Again, it's just baking in all the experience that I have, but you can obviously look at this on your own time. There are multiple ways to go about it. just as an end user, you get the Docker image, uh, update your json.mcp and start talking to the Jira instance that you have, or you could clone it and then probably, if you want, use that. You can do local development. Any questions? Drop them in the comments. Like and subscribe if you will. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.